Hello, this is Mark. Just going to show you something that I did for my friend Helen Barber, who's a counsellor in Sevenoaks. We were talking about ways to enhance her website, and apart from having a look at the website itself, we were also looking at ways to improve her business, and we had a bit of fun talking about AI chatbots. So I put a little demo together, and if you're interested in building something like this for your business and you think it will help it grow, then get in touch with me. But here's the demo of the AI chatbot on the telephone for Helen Barber, who's the counsellor in Sevenoaks. I'm just dialing on my phone.
You are now connected to Helen Barber's assistant. How can we help?
Hello there, I'm meeting with Helen on Friday. Can you leave her a message, please?
Of course! I'd be happy to help with that. May I please have your name and contact information so I can pass on the message to Helen? It would also be helpful if you could let me know what the message is regarding.
Yes, Helen's coming round to talk about her website, and my name's Mark, and my telephone number is 07767 875 550. I prefer WhatsApp. And can you also tell her that could she bring some of her wonderful chocolate brownie with her, please?
Thank you, Mark. I will let Helen know that you're meeting on Friday to talk about her website. I will also mention your request for her to bring some of her wonderful chocolate brownie. I've noted your preference for communication via WhatsApp at the number 07767 87550. Before I pass on the message, could you please provide your email address just in case she needs to send any additional information? Thank you.
She's got my email address, but can you also pass on my regards to Roger? Thank you.
Absolutely, Mark. I will make sure to include your regards to Roger along with the rest of the message. So, just to confirm, I'll be passing on that you're meeting on Friday to discuss her website. You'd like her to bring some of her chocolate brownie and your regards to Roger. I'll also provide your WhatsApp number for communication. If there's anything else you'd like me to add, just let me know. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
Alright, thanks then. Bye.
You're welcome, Mark. Goodbye, and have a great day.
Right, so that was the chat with the AI. As you can see, nice conversation, nothing too challenging, but part of the script was that it did make sure that it had either a contact number or email and my name as well. So that was working as it should. One feature that we then go on to providing is emailing the transcript of the conversation. So what I'm going to do is switch to my conversation now that's just come in. Let me just bring up my screen share so you can see that. Let's add the display capture. Okay, right, and let's switch over to here. So here you can see this is the voice assistant transcript that's come through, and you can see that the assistant said, "Thank you, Mark. I'll let Helen know we're meeting on Friday to talk about the website." I also mentioned for her to bring some of her wonderful chocolate brownie, and make sure you include the regards to Roger along with the rest of the message. And you can see there is my telephone number. You can WhatsApp me if you'd like to build a voice AI for your website. It usually takes about 4 or 5 days to do all the coding and set the servers up. So if you found that useful, then give us a shout, and good luck with your AI journey as a business owner. All the best. Bye.